Hey there guys, I'm here today. I want to show you guys how to install RAM into your Lenovo X-230. That is what I have right now, which I just recently bought about 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, I have Windows. I will show you guys I only have one stick of RAM right now. You guys can go find out yourselves by doing DXIAG, or as I like to do it, I go to CPU-Z, which is a program you can download off the internet. It's free, and it pretty much like diagnoses all of your computer specs, its processor, its RAM, the RAM speed, etc., etc. So let me get to that right now. Yep, just wait for it to load. I was doing it for you guys so you can see. Alright, so as you can see, I'm running i5, the 3210, and what we're here to talk about is the RAM. So, here, RAM, DDR3, I have 4 gigs right now. I'm going to upgrade to 8 gigs with another stick that I just bought. Here, see, we have DDR3, 4 gigs, 800 megahertz, which is half of 1600, which is the because it's dual channel, it's halved. Yeah, the brand is Samsung. I'll show you guys later when I open it up. And so you can see in slot 2 it's empty, which I'm gonna fill up right in about like 2 minutes or a minute. Just showing you guys. This is CPU-Z. You can get it online for free again. Yep, 1.5 volts of power usage. The one I ordered off the internet is 1.3, I believe. Saved myself some battery life. Okie doke. Now let's get to it. I'm gonna shut down the computer. I already opened up the RAM now, so as you guys can see right here, this is the RAM. See if it focuses, sorry. Upside down. Let's see if it focuses in. It's made in China. I've heard from that they make this RAM from Philippines and Korea, apparently. Apparently the one in my computer is from Philippines, I believe. Also, I'm being quite risky by doing this, just holding it like this without the anti-static wrist strap. But it's summer and it's not dry weather, so electricity won't accumulate on my body that quickly. So yeah. Okay. Here we go. First things first, whenever installing RAM, it's safe to take out the battery. Always take out the battery so you don't accidentally electrocute yourself. This is the battery. You can see. Put that aside. Secondly, check if there's any power remaining. You don't want any electricity flowing through your laptop at all while you're installing RAM. Just do that by holding this power button for a little bit. So see if it'll turn on if it's discharged. Great. Moving on. Hope you guys can see this. I'll move the camera closer. Okie doke. This is the Lenovo X-230's RAM compartment. Right here in this little square. Convenient with 2 screws. That's all you have to do. Unscrew these 2 things and pop it out. Oh, by the way, this screwdriver, it's called a precision screwdriver, which you can get at Home Depot, etc., etc. Pretty sure most of you have these anyways. Alright, pop the lid off. Keep your keep your screws safe. You don't want to lose them. Alright, now as we can see in my Lenovo X-230 right now, let's zoom in. You see that one right there? Nope. Well, it says made in Philippines, just as I guessed. And that's your other slot for your RAM, your new RAM. So now let's get to installing it. This is quite easy, but for beginners, most of you would probably think like, oh, all I do is stick it flat in there, like at a right parallel to the board, just like this. But no, you must insert the RAM at a specific angle, not that specific, but at an angle. So, for example, it's tilted upwards like this. Let me see if I could try to install it like this. Oops. And you can see that how it fits in is according to this little cut made inside the RAM. Here, there is a little nodule sticking out that divides, or that goes into this little cut. So, what I was holding it, or how I was holding it, was wrong before. And so, just stick at it at an angle, like upwards, and it should slide in easily, like that. See that? See that, everyone? Just making sure you guys can see that it goes in at an angle, not flat. Sorry about the focus. Yeah. See if I could lower the camera a little too. It's the best I can do. So yeah, it's sticking up. All you need to do is I would just take my two fingers, this side, push down till you hear both clicks. There are two little like pincers on the sides that take the RAM in. Oop. Apparently I didn't push it in enough. There you go, two clicks. One on the right, one on the left. There you go. And there you have it. Your RAM is good. Once you hear that. The pincers I'm talking about are right here and right over here. Yeah. Till it's firm. And both of them are clipping it. Alright. Now, replace the cover. See if I can beat the clock. I want to make this a 10-minute video. I doubt it, but I'll try. Okay, like that. Lock that. Alrighty. Press it on. Press this. Nah, it's not going to be 10 minutes. So, I didn't nick anything, I didn't electrocute anything. So far, everything's running fine, no errors. Good, good. I have the fingerprint reader, so I'm just gonna do my fingerprint thing. There you go. skip over this. Gonna go back into CPU-Z, show you guys the difference with your installed RAM. Alright. Now memory. We are at 8 gigs, 8192 megabytes. As you can see in SPD slot 1, we got Samsung. Slot 2, Samsung. Great. 4 gigs. Awesome, awesome. And like I said, 1.3 volts. I ordered mine off Amazon. It was only about $25, I believe. Yeah, $25 just for one stick of 4 gigs memory, 1600 megahertz. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can do this with your laptop in the future. It's really simple with the Lenovo X-230. And if you have any questions, any comments, replies, I don't know, just, send away. I'll read them. I'll be sure to read them. I'll be sure to respond. Yep, that's it. Thanks.